Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Alethea, and this is Sewing Skill Building Saturdays. Yay! Hello, and so today we're going to make a hand worked buttonhole, and this is coming from the Vintage Vault, and it's located on some of your vintage patterns. So this is a pattern piece with a buttonhole. What I have done is marked it or traced it on my fabric, and this is a knit fabric. Your buttonhole placement. And then I've taken a ruler and measure out 1/8 of an inch across each above and below the buttonhole line. Then I stitched around on that 1/8 of an inch in a rectangular motion. This is the wrong side of your material or fabric, and this is how the right side is looking with that rectangular shaped stitching. So don't forget to knot your thread after you make your rectangle, and after you finish, you slit right in the middle where the buttonhole is going to be cut, and you begin to sew around the edges, starting at the lower edge first with heavy thread. Go in the buttonhole area and as close to the bottom stitches as possible, taking this thread and wrap around your needle and pull. Wrap and pull. Stitch. Wrap. And pull. Try to get them as close as possible together. Insert your needle. Coming out just below that rectangular stitch line. Take this end of the thread, wrap, and pull. Insert, wrap, pull. I use double thread because I didn't have a heavy weight thread. And continue around until you get that hole completed. It's gonna look something like this. Wrong side, right side. Let's finish it up. And so this is the finished product of the buttonhole. Don't be like me. Take your time and fill in those spaces and make a round ending on your buttonhole. And this is how it looks when the button is there. And this is a handmade buttonhole. If you have a fear of making buttons on your machine, you can take your time and make your buttonhole. Hand stitch it. It takes a little time, but it's worth it. This was my first one I completed. And that's that. I hope you have enjoyed the video and learned some information that you can use. Thank you for joining me for this sewing skill building Saturdays. I thank all the subscribers, the new and the old, everyone who comes and look, enjoy the videos, and I appreciate it. But support the channel if you would like to. Remember, please, to like, share, and subscribe. This helps support the channel. Thanks. See you next Saturday. Bye. Progress so far on this blouse, which is Simplicity S9707, easy.